So yesterday I went shopping and it was Saturday and it was the Saturday after Black Friday in London. I went to Westfield. I think I'm crazy, I know. I don't know why I did it. I survived though, that's the main thing. I survived the Black Friday sales. I normally would not set foot in London on Black Friday or Saturday or even Sunday or even Monday. Like just the whole weekend would normally be a no-go area. But I had this weird urge to go shopping that day. And while I was there I went into Poundland because I love Poundland. Poundland is so good for essentials, things like toothpaste, which is normally like £3 in supermarkets, is like £1 in Poundland, obviously. And while I was walking around Poundland, I saw this. This is a 12 days pampering countdown calendar, and it is from Poundland. Last year I did a video kind of surrounding the Zoella advent calendar situation, and I actually went out and found most of the things that you could get in her advent calendar in Poundland. And that video was really well received. Loads of people loved that video. But I kind of made that advent calendar myself out of things that you can buy from Poundland rather than Poundland actually selling a proper advent calendar, obviously. But this year they seem to have one. Obviously Poundland sell other advent calendars. I bought loads, that like chocolate ones, like the dairy milk ones. They're in there every year, but this is the first time I've seen a Poundland advent calendar that's not chocolate, that's beauty. And it is thick, like it does look like a proper beauty advent calendar or whatever. The only thing is that this wasn't actually a pound, it was £5, because apparently Poundland have started to put things in their stores that aren't a pound anymore, which I don't know if is a good idea or not, because it's just a bit confusing. You pick something up and you're like, oh my god, this is amazing, and you see it's like £3 or like £5, you're like, what's the point? You're meant to be Poundland. So I was a bit annoyed that this wasn't a pound, but I still wanted to do this video anyway because I thought it might be quite interesting, and it is only £5 still, which I guess is kind of cheap. Well, I'm going to open it on camera, so we'll see whether it's worth the £5 or not. I'm liking the design on this packaging. It's like white marble with rose gold like geometric things on it, and then on the side it's like a pink wood effect. That's really cool. Okay, so let's find day number 1. There's something about opening an advent calendar before Advent that makes me feel like I'm doing something really wrong. Oh well. This is a snowflake bath bomb, I think. It's really small. Oh my god, that smells amazing though. Wow, okay. A little bath bomb. Bath bombs are really expensive if you get them from like Lush and stuff. They're like £5 each. And you put it in your bath and it's gone. And it's just like one bath worth. I feel like if they're smaller, it's probably better because you don't waste as much. So anyway, yeah, this is a bath fizzer, it says. That smells really, really good. Okay, so that was day 1. Day 2 is here. This is a heart-shaped door. Whereas before it was a square. Rectangle. Wow. I've never been very good at maths. I do apologise. Okay, is that another bath bomb? So this is the second one. This is soap, just soap it says. I kind of hope there's a bit of a differentiation and it's not just these little soapy bath bomb type things. But okay, that's the second one. It smells the same as the first one. This one's number 3, a circle. Oh my god, I can't get this one out. Okay, there we go. This is a bath bomb as well. This one's a little bit bigger than the snowflake because it's thicker. It smells the same again, but it does smell really, really nice. But yeah, another bath bomb. Great. Okay, so that was number 3. Where's number 4? Here. Oh, this is something different. Right, this is body scrub. This is do not apply to sore, broken or irritated skin. Discontinue use if irritation occurs, but nothing else. That's a good sign. There doesn't look like there's that many like scrubby bits in there, it's more like jelly liquid. So that was number 4, so we're 1/3 of the way through. I'm really bad at maths. 5 is up here. Oh my god, these are really hard to open. I've got another snowflake. That's exactly the same as the first one. Number 6. I've got another soap. Exactly the same. Great. Number 7 looks different. It's a bit longer. So let's see what's behind here. Wicked. It's gone! Why is it not there? I feel like it's fallen down here. Let me see if I can... Oh! There we go! These are bath salts. Again, it smells exactly the same, but that's fine by me. These look kind of cool. They're like little pink bath salts. Bath salts are great if you have like muscle soreness, by the way. I have to have like a bath every week because by the end of the week after I've been to the gym I can't really move, so bath salts are great. Now number 8, this is halfway point. Oh my god, no it's not. Oh my god, I'm so bad at maths. Oh my god. It's another bath bomb, but this one's green. Same smell. I mean, I don't mind getting the bath bombs and the bath fizzes because I do use those. The 2 heart soaps, I feel like they could have put something different for one of them at least. Because who uses soap anymore? What was that, number 8? Right, number 9. I'm just going to balance it against my face. There we go. No. Oh my god. Because we didn't already have enough of these. Now we've got 3. That is such a cop-out. They could have put something different in that. Even if they were different colours, like... So next is 10, and then we've only got 2 more after that. I swear to god, if this is another heart soap. Right, okay, so number 11. Okay, we've got another little pot, like the scrub. Oh, this is body butter. Okay. Something different. Okay, we're now down to the final door. Who's excited? I am. Not. Oh my god, I can't get in. What? Okay. It's a exfoliator. What is that? It's like a little star. You rub dry skin off with it basically. Okay, so I'm guessing that was meant to be like the best one. So I'm going to go through what we've got so far. We've got the 3 bath fizzers that are the same. We've got the 3 pink heart soaps, which are the same. 6 days gone, that's half. We've got 2 bath bombs which are the same but different colours for a bit of variation. We've got the pink bath salts. We've got the body scrub and the body butter. And finally we've got the exfoliating star. So thoughts on this advent calendar. Honestly, for £5 I feel like they could have done better. I feel like even if it was just something different in each one rather than 3 of the same, 3 of the same, 2 of the same, different colours. It's a bit boring, especially if it's meant to be an advent calendar and it's meant to be like a surprise behind every window. Yeah. I feel like if this was £1 it would obviously be a really good bargain. If it was £2 it would still be pretty good for the price. £3 I feel like it's what it should be marketed as. But I guess you're paying for like the design and the plastic and the cardboard, which I will be recycling by the way, don't worry about that. But yeah, that was my thoughts on the Poundland advent calendar. Comment down below telling me what you think, whether you thought that was worth the money or not. I mean, £5 isn't a lot of money, but it's still money at the end of the day. So would you buy this? Would you buy this for somebody else? What did you think? Was I too harsh? Was I fair? Let me know. Hope you all like this video. It's my first festive one of my Christmas videos. I've got a couple more coming up, so make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for that. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!